good morning, Papa. This is Colleen Makhube from South Africa. Apostle, I want to wish you a happy birthday, not only from myself, but on behalf of my family, my husband and I. You have truly touched our lives in deeper ways than we can express right now. We are humbly honored to be standing here to wish you a happy birthday. And from my heart, I want to express to you that what you have become to me and my family has been such a blessing. You are a prophet that the king needed. There are many people, there are many politicians, many business people in Nigeria, but God has sent you here in South Africa for us. He has sent you for a purpose, to empower us, to cover us, to speak the word to us, to give us direction, and we are so grateful. So today, as I said, Apostle, on behalf of myself and my family, happy birthday, have a wonderful day. God bless you. Thank you.